Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and I welcome you all in the Atomic World channel. So today we will discuss about the law of constant proportions, or it can also be called law of definite proportions. So constant or definite, it means the fixed proportion. Okay. So this law was given by the scientist Joseph Prost. So let us see what does this law explain. It states that a pure chemical compound always contains same elements combined together in the same definite proportions by weight. So let us see with an example. Let us take water from three different sources. Okay. First is sea water, second the rainwater, and third one is the tap water. And we all know the formula of water, that is H2O. So it has been seen that in all the three categories the ratio is always the same, that is 2:16 reduced to 1:8 in all the three cases. So it has been seen that whatever be the sources, either it is naturally or laboratory made or something where it can be prepared, there is always a fixed ratio between the elements. So again I am reading the statement of this law. A pure chemical compound, that is H2O, suppose, always contains same elements. H2O, in all the three cases we see that H2O contains the same element, that is H and O, that is hydrogen and oxygen. They all combine together in the same definite proportion by weight, and we have also seen that they have combined together and they have a reduced mass, a reduced ratio of 1:8. Now let us know that how the scientist Joseph Prost came to know about this law. He had taken two samples of copper carbonate, or you can say cupric carbonate, that is CuCO3. First was naturally occurring and the second was laboratory made. And he found that the percentage weight of copper, carbon and oxygen was same in all the two cases. Now let us verify this law experimentally. Let us take an example of preparation of copper oxide. So firstly let's prepare the copper oxide by the combination reaction of copper and oxygen. Secondly, by heating copper carbonate, and third by heating copper nitrate. So in all the three cases, take the copper oxide and reduce to copper by giving the current of hydrogen. In all you have to perform the cases one by one. Okay, and here the weight of copper left behind in each case is noted. So you will see that in all the samples the ratio of copper and oxygen by weight is 4:1. As the weight of copper is something about 62 point something is there, and oxygen weight is 16. So if you will reduce, then it will approx came, that is all about 4:1 it will came. So by this experiment the law has been confirmed that whatever be the sources, either it is natural or it is made in laboratory by utilizing some different raw materials, by either by the decomposition or by the combination reactions, the element ratios by weight will be fixed. Thank you.